Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like your electric vehicle is holding back a little, like there's untapped potential just waiting to be unleashed? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into easy maintenance tips and tricks that'll help you unlock your EV's true power. Now, I know what you're thinking. Electric cars, they're simple, right? Plug it in, drive it, done. And while they're significantly less mechanically complex than gas-powered cars, they still need a little TLC to perform at their best and last for years. Let's start with something fundamental: tire pressure. This is crucial for any vehicle, but especially for EVs because their weight can impact tire wear differently. Check your tire pressure regularly and remember that the optimal pressure is listed in your owner's manual, not on the tire itself. Underinflation leads to increased rolling resistance, which directly reduces your range. Think of it like this: you're pushing a heavier rock uphill. Nobody wants that. Next up, battery management. This is where things get a bit more nuanced. While the technology behind EV batteries is constantly evolving, and exciting research is happening, like the recent University of Chicago study on materials that could revolutionize battery performance, the basic principles remain. Avoid consistently charging to 100%. And try to avoid completely depleting your battery. Think of it like a phone battery. Extremes are tough on them. Aim for a range of 20–80% for your daily charging. Plus, keeping your battery within that range can help prolong its lifespan. Now, let's talk about cleaning. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about protecting your investment. Regular washing, especially in areas prone to road salt in the winter, is crucial to prevent corrosion. But remember, you've got to be careful with where you're washing it. The high-pressure water jets at some car washes can potentially damage certain components, so check your owner's manual for recommendations on car wash safety. And while we're on the topic of owner's manuals, let's talk about the often overlooked treasure trove of information within those pages. It's like the secret weapon of EV ownership. Seriously, read it! It contains everything from specific maintenance schedules to details about your car's unique charging needs. It will tell you the best practices, the things the manufacturer recommends, and things you should avoid. Now, there's a lot of talk about charging strategies. Recent research even explores smart charging management using reinforcement learning, which sounds super futuristic, but the core idea is efficient charging. Try to charge at off-peak hours whenever possible, not only to save money but also to ease the strain on the power grid. Many utilities offer time-of-use plans that incentivize this. We've touched on some key areas, but remember, the specifics can vary depending on your EV's make and model. Things like regular brake inspections, yes, even EVs have brakes, and fluid checks, coolant, etc., are still important. Always refer to your owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date maintenance schedule. And speaking of up-to-date information, I want to touch on a fascinating aspect of EV development. Organizations like the National Renewable Energy Laboratory (NREL) are at the forefront of research into improving EV technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Similarly, state-level initiatives like the Washington State Electric Vehicle Coordinating Council are working hard to accelerate EV adoption and reduce emissions. It's a really exciting time to be in the EV space. NASA is even involved. They're researching soft magnetic materials for use in electrified aircraft propulsion systems, which, while not directly related to your car, shows the broader trend of innovation in electric technology. It's inspiring to see this collaborative effort across various sectors. Okay, let's wrap this up. We've covered a lot of ground today, from tire pressure to battery care and the broader context of EV technology advancements. Remember, proper maintenance isn't just about keeping your car running smoothly. It's about maximizing its lifespan, performance, and your overall driving experience. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a PayPal link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. So, are you ready to unleash the full potential of your electric vehicle? Let me know in the comments what your biggest EV maintenance questions are. I'd love to help. Until next time, happy driving!